Are you struggling with wall climbing in GTAG? Well, today I'm going to show you how to wall climb. So, step 1 is you go to forest. Now, there are other spots, but forest is preferred, especially for new players. Oh, look at that beautiful sky. Use the gazebo to see where you are. So, if it looks like this, then you're at the right corner. Now, the campfire isn't always lit, so step 1 is to put your hand in parallel with the wall, then jump, hit down, hit down, hit down, hit down, and twist your body as you go, staying with the wall, staying with the direction of the wall. And then, eventually, you can make it to slippery walls. It takes a lot of practice, and it's normal to fail at first. But once you get the hang of it, it's really nice and fun. It's also a good method to escape lava monkeys. And if that doesn't work, then you can ask a friend. And if you don't have any friends who can teach you, then you can go into a lobby and ask people. Just don't be annoying about it, because people will ignore you if you be annoying. Don't just scream, "Can someone teach me how to play?" You kind of just want to say, "Hey, can you please teach me how to play?" And that will be it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.